skiing a little faster than you. Fair?
I don't know because he was behind me, so I don't know what he was doing.
All right. Ramon said that Sanderson had his head downhill, spread eagle, out cold. Did you observe that?
No.
Was his head downhill?
Your Honor, objection goes beyond the scope.
I think you're going beyond the scope.
Your Honor, she was asked about, I'll move on, but she was asking about where people were.
She did ask for people landed in her redirect or recross, so you can go into that.
Thanks. So you heard Ramon say spread eagle, head down, right?
I did.
Out cold.
Yeah.
Do you think you would have noticed if he had been spread eagle? First, just comment on that. Yes or no?
Objection leading.
Sustained?
Just comment. Like, I did see him spread eagle, or he did not. I'm trying to be as broad as I can on that.
Well, that's leading.
Okay.
It's made on Friday.
It is? That is true. Was your head, when you came to arrest, downhill?
Both of our heads were in the same direction, uphill.
So Ramon said they were both downhill.
That is incorrect. The expert today even said it was impossible for him to get lift off, and so that's just not what happened.
The comment was that you cursed at him. Why didn't you say, pardon me, sir, I think you inadvertently ran into me? Why didn't you do that in a nice, calm manner?
Again, I felt violated. I was upset. I was worried about my knee. My back hurt. It felt violating to have somebody press their body against my back. I was full of adrenaline. I was really upset, and I'm sorry that I cursed.
I think Ramon said something like someone gave him the stink eye. Your Coldplay buddy, who wasn't your Coldplay buddy, but gave him the stink eye or something to that effect.
I don't
like
remember that.
A mean look.
I don't know who that would have been, and I don't remember.
Brad probably wasn't too happy that someone had hurt his girlfriend. Is that?
Objection beyond the scope.
I'll let it go. Who hit who?
Objection asked and
Oh my
answered.
gosh.
I want it.
What a waste of time.
Sustained.
3 words, Your Honor.
Asked and answered.
We'll let it go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cross.
It's 5 o'clock. We're done. Thank you.
Thank you. Members of the jury, let me just give you the same instruction that I have given you a few times. So we're recessing now until 9 a.m. on Monday morning. And so you'll be on your own over the weekend. Before we recess, I need to remind you of the following instruction. Please do not discuss this case with anyone, including other jurors. Please do not attempt to learn anything about the case outside of the courtroom, including from other jurors. Please avoid radio, TV, internet, and newspaper reports on this case. Please keep an open mind throughout the presentation of the evidence, and please do not form or express an opinion on this case until such time as it is finally submitted to you for deliberations. And the final instruction is have a great weekend. You can step down, and you can leave too.
Excuse my client.
Yes.
Your Honor, we may call our client in our case. Any objection to that?
No.
Okay. And
I mean, I don't know if they have an objection, but it would be proper because you're limited by the scope of cross before.
thank you. Can we sit for a minute because I'm not quite
Sure.
done?
Is there anything we should address before the weekend? I know there's a brief that's due by the defendants rather by noon on Sunday.
That's right.
There is one other thing we should probably talk about is timing.
sorry?
We need to talk about timing on witnesses. I know
Yes,
that
that's
you
what I
got.
wanna talk
Yeah, okay, great.
Let's talk.
Anything else for the court?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So how are we gonna, in theory, they were supposed to rest today. I'm not complaining. I mean, there's one more witness, as I understand it, which is Terry Sanderson. Can the plaintiffs confirm?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
All right, so
So
we're,
on Monday morning, we'll start with Mr. Sanderson.
no.
Okay,
I need to be heard on this.
okay.
Sorry, I can't say no to you, Your Honor. We have 7 witnesses lined up because there was no question that plaintiffs were going to rest on Friday. So, 7 people are all lined up back to back. And Mr. Sanderson's here, and I didn't expect them. We sort of flip-flop this in a way because they've heard from plaintiff, they've heard from the defendant before we've never even heard from the plaintiff. But I have back-to-back witnesses Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, which leaves Mr. Sanderson to testify on Thursday next week. It is possible that almost all of these people have flown in from out of state to be very precise on timing. And I don't think we should be punished. I think I raised this several times, like I need to set up our witnesses. And I'm talking about 16 witnesses, very busy physicians out of state. My client's family is coming in just for this and then leaving. So I'm not critical. We are where we are, but I made it clear multiple times that and I don't want to be limited in my time for Mr. Sanderson.
And Your Honor,
So what's the request?
That
That we
we
take
work,
witnesses out of
we
order?
work in Sanderson when we
Okay,
can.
all right. And what's the plaintiff's position on that request?
Object to that.
What do you propose happen?
We have a case, and we'd like to have it finished so that we can rest appropriately. Terry Sanderson is an important part of that case. We have a right to put him on. Now, I don't want to throw stones here, but there's a lot of reasons why this took longer than it should have, okay? And it's not our fault. We worked as hard as we could. So, I think we take Terry Sanderson on Monday. We will have him for about an hour.
yeah, I'm taking his direct, and I will commit to the court that we will be done with direct in an hour.
Okay.
And so I think we do that, and we fit him in as we can. I mean, we had problems too. You know, we caught a witness short to get out of town. That happens.
And after that witness, then you'll be resting?
Yes.
Okay.
So